Christopher, and my subject for today's video is Analysis and Design of Algorithm, and its code is BCS 401. And I am the fourth sem student, another department of Information Science and Engineering. And my topic for today's video is brute force approaches and algorithms, understanding basic problems and solving techniques. And my video contains introduction to brute force, common brute force algorithm, applications of brute force, conclusion and future direction. Introduction to brute force. What is brute force? Brute force is a straightforward problem-solving technique that systematically explores all possible solutions to find the optimal one. This exhaustive approach guarantees a solution but can be insufficient, especially for large data sets, and it often leads to significant time complexity. Historical context. Brute force algorithms have a strong, long history, dating back to early computing days when limited resources necessitated simple, exhaustive methods for problem solving. This approach, while often insufficient, provides foundational insights into algorithm design and complexity, paving the way for more advanced techniques. Importance in computer science. Brute force approaches are fundamental in algorithm designs, offering straightforward solutions through exhaustive search methods. While often insufficient, they provide crucial insights into problem structure and serve as a baseline for evaluating more complex algorithms, emphasizing their importance in computer science education and development. Characteristics of brute force algorithm. Completeness. Brute force algorithms are characterized by their completeness, as they guarantee finding a solution if one exists. This exhaustive search examines all possible combinations, ensuring that no potential solution is overlooked, making them reliable for problem solving despite their insufficient simplicity. Brute force algorithms are characterized by their simplicity, employing straightforward methods to solve problems. They rely on exhaustive search and trial and error techniques, allowing easy implementation without requiring complex logic or mathematics, making them accessible for beginners in algorithm design. Exponential time complexity. This algorithm typically exhibits exponential time complexity, meaning the execution time grows rapidly with increased input size. This efficiently arises from the exhaustive nature of the approach, as every possible solution is systematically evaluated, making it impractical for large data sets. Common brute force algorithms. Search algorithms. Linear search, binary search, and depth first search. Linear search. Linear search is a straightforward algorithm that checks each element in a list sequentially until the target value is found or the end of the list is reached. While simple and easy to implement, this efficiency decreases with larger data sets, making it less suitable for extensive searches compared to the more advanced algorithms. Binary search. Binary search is an efficient search algorithm that operates on sorted arrays. It repeatedly divides the search interval in half, comparing the target value to the middle element. This process significantly reduces the search space, achieving a time complexity of big O of log n, making it preferable over linear search in larger data sets. Depth first search, that is DFS, is a common brute force algorithm used for traversing or searching tree or graph data structures. It explores as far as possible along each branch before backtracking, ensuring through exploration of all nodes. DFS is often implemented using recursion or a stack. Optimization problems of brute force approach. Traveling salesman problem. Common brute force algorithm for optimization problems include exhaustive search, permutation generation, and dynamic programming. For the travel salesman problem, the brute force approach evaluates all possible routes, ensuring the shortest path is found but can be computationally expensive for larger datasets. Knapsack problem. Common brute force algorithms for the knapsack problem involve evaluating the possible combinations of items to determine the maximum value that can be achieved within the weight limit. This exhaustive search guarantees an optimal solution but can be computationally intensive, especially for larger data sets. Job scheduling. Common brute force algorithm for job scheduling involves examining all possible job orders to find the optimal sequence. Techniques like exhaustive search, permutation based approaches, and recursive backtracking can ensure all combinations are considered, though they may lead to significant computational overhead for larger data sets. Applications of brute force. Real world application. Brute force methods are crucially in cryptanalysis, where they systematically test all possible keys or passwords to decrypt information. This exhaustive search can uncover vulnerabilities in cryptographic algorithms, ensuring stronger security measures against unauthorized access and data breaches. Brute force algorithms are widely used in password cracking, where attackers systematically try every possible combination until the correct one is found. This method highlights the importance of using strong, complex password to stay safeguard against exhaustive search attacks. Brute force approaches in game theory are employed to analyze all possible strategies and outcomes in competitive environments. This exhaustive method ensures that every potential move is considered, enabling the identification of optimal strategies and enhancing decision-making process in complex games. Limitation. Performance issues. Brute force methods can lead to significant performance issues due to their exhaustive nature, often resulting in high time complexity and input size increases. Problem quickly become computationally infeasible, limiting their practical application in real-time scenarios and large data sets. Scalability problems. This approach exhibits significant scalability problem as the input size increases, leading to exponential growth in computation time. This insufficiently limits their practically for large data sets, making them unsuitable for real-time application and prompting the need for more efficient algorithms. Alternative to brute forces. Brute forces is often less sufficient than alternatives like divide and conquer or dynamic programming. These approaches reduce computational complexity and enhance performance, making them more suitable for large data sets, while brute force methods remain limited by their exhaustive nature and time constraints. Conclusion and future directions. First, recap of brute force concepts. Brute force approaches rely on exhaustive search techniques to solve problems. They guarantee optimal solution by evaluating all possibilities, but can be insufficient for larger data sets. Future direction may focus on optimizing these methods with hybrid techniques to enhance performance while maintaining the accuracy. Second, distinctive features. In conclusion, brute force approaches are characterized by their simplicity and exhaustive nature, ensuring complete solution at the cost of efficiency. Future research can focus on optimizing these methods and exploring hybrid strategies to enhance performance in complex problems. Thirdly, future of brute force in technology. Brute force approaches, while often computationally intensive, remain relevant in solving complex problems where no efficient algorithms exist. As technology advances, their application will involve leveraging parallel processing and cloud computing to